Good morning, teachers and my seniors and my friends. So today we are going to discuss on digital learning. So first we will learn. First we will talk about how the education come. Education it means how the education means how the education come in ancient period the education was started. In the ancient period the education was started ये हमारे पूर्वज के टाइम से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और उस टाइम पे एजुकेशन इट वाज इनफॉर्मल we will not call it a formal. Informal means there is no qualification of that education and on that time we take knowledge from the gurus and there are ashrams where the people go and take knowledge from them and gurukuls. So there is a relationship between guru and shishya. But after some time the writing was invented in the civilization and after some time after coming the written we have got that
देख के बताओ ना।
The root of education in India traced back to the ancient time characterized by the existence of gurukuls and ashrams. It means on that time we take
आगे जाओ, तुम थोड़ा आगे जाओ।
On that time we take knowledge from the gurukuls and ashrams. These are called the centers of learnings where we take knowledge from there and teacher and student relationship where knowledge was imparted through the oral tradition. On that time हम लोग उस टाइम पर ओरल ट्रेडिशन मीन्स हम लोग बोल करके समझाते थे. उस टाइम पर कोई बुक्स नहीं होता था. उस टाइम पर कुछ भी कोई डिजिटल कुछ भी नहीं था. हम लोग वहाँ पर पब्लिक और ये ट्रेडिशन चलता था जहाँ पे कोई भी आकर के वहाँ पे अपना एजुकेशन ले सकते थे. वहाँ पे गुरुज होते थे और शिष्य होते थे. And this become a primary education when the Guru Shishya and after sometimes it become a primary education. Schools were invented and but the pandemic is happened after some years. Before some years we know that some the pandemic had happened and this but the educational revolution in 21st century is no longer just about putting pen to paper. इसका मतलब ये है कि हम लोग सिर्फ जब ये क्या कहते हैं उसको जब कोविड-19 आया था तो हम लोगों को क्या था हम लोग पेन और पेपर इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑन दैट टाइम. उस टाइम सब कुछ डिजिटली हो गया था. डिजिटली इट मीन्स हम लोग with the development of technology the education system is under the process of revamping. Especially during the COVID pandemic, teaching has undergone significant transformation. Especially during the COVID pandemic, teaching has undergone significant transformation with the widespread adoption of digital technology and easy access to the internet. This rapidly changes and landscape should serve as a reminder that traditional teaching methods must be involved. It means that जो हमारा ट्रेडिशनल टीचिंग था वो धीरे धीरे हम लोगों को और भी एडवांस करना पड़ा. किस लिए करना पड़ा? बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड-19. इसलिए हम लोगों को ये समझ में आया कि हम लोग कोविड-19 से ये भी समझ में आया कि हम लोग सिर्फ ये क्या कहते हैं ट्रेडिशनली मेथड से सब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सारे लोगों को एक साथ एजुकेशन हम लोग कैसे देंगे? हमें एजुकेशन में आगे भी बढ़ना था, पीछे भी नहीं आ सकते थे. तो हमारे पास ये डिजिटली की वजह से हमारा सारा काम आसान हो गया. This rapidly changing landscape should serve as a reminder that traditional teaching methods must evolve to keep up. We need to incorporate integrated technologies into the learning model. In such learning model which makes learning simple, easier, effective and blended learning. ये blended learning जो है इसके बारे में और भी अच्छे से explain करेंगे. What is blended learning? UGC defines that blended learning as a term given to the educational practice of combining digital learning tools with more traditional classroom face-to-face. That's what I am doing. Face to face. मैं अभी जो भी कर रही हूँ अभी आप लोगों के सामने ये blended learning ही है. It is one kind of example I am giving you that it is going on blended learning right now. So, in other words, blended learning, also known as flipped classroom learning, it is a teaching method that combines technology and digital media with traditional instructor-led classroom activities, allowing students to tailor their learning experience. What is the importance of blended learning? इसका importance क्या है? This type of learning is important for students because it combines the best traditional and digital learning methods. While classroom learning is necessary for all the disciplines, online learning allows students to personalize their education. Like all the finger of one hand are not the same. All students are not the same. सारे students are not. जितने भी students हैं सब same नहीं होते. All are having different. We can say कि सबका अपना अपना क्या कह सकते हैं उसको अपना सबका अपना ये I'm not getting that point. Level of understanding exactly. Along with traditional chalk and board teaching, when students get an additional digital support. पहले क्या था कि हम लोग जो ट्रेडिशनल लर्निंग करते थे तो chalk and duster was using on that time, right? But now we are not using chalk and duster. You can see here. They learn according to their own pace, schedule, ensuring that they fully understand new concepts before undergoing the pressure of moving on. Role of the teacher in blended learning environment. Blended learning or a flipped classroom transforms the teacher's role from a knowledge provider to a coach mentor. This shift does not imply that teachers are less important or play a passive role in their students' education. It provides an appropriate balance between the online student education. It provides the appropriate balance between online instructions, which offer interactive technology-based learning, individualized pacing, and privacy to keep students engaged, and motivated and teacher-led instructions, which personalizes the learning experience and adds the human elements of encouragement, compassion and caring guidance that only teachers can provide. It means जो हम लोग ये क्या blended learning environment teachers को कैसे मतलब इससे help मिला for digital learning. They are giving in pandemic when the COVID was happened. इस डिजिटल की वजह से ही जितने भी हमारे क्लासेस आज मिस नहीं हुए, हम लोगों का सारा और जितने भी हमारे डिग्रीज है आज हमें टाइम पे मिला. क्यों मिला? अगर डिजिटल नहीं आता तो हम लोग तो पीछे हो जाते, लाइक हम लोग वहीं पे रह जाते. तो इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि हमारा टाइम टू टाइम हर एक सब्जेक्ट वाइज हमारा क्लासेस हुई, जो आज हमारे उसके हिसाब से हमारा सारा डिग्री कंप्लीट हुआ एंड वी गॉट दैट degrees. Throughout this mixed learning environment, teachers have the opportunity to depend and strengthen the student-teacher's relationship as a result of more frequent and personal interaction with individual students. The trust more that comes with close relationship provides the teacher with insights into their students' personal struggles and needs, empowering teachers to comfort and coach students through challenges that frequently serve as barrier to learn. But it is very important that there should be a good relationship between teachers and students, because they will help you out to overcome from their problems. And the outreach teachers have always made sure that blended learning has been practiced. We believe that every student deserves to learn in an environment they can succeed in. Technology ensures that inclusion is the baseline rather than a luxury. Student at Oakridge along with the classroom teaching also have access to learn through scratch. Junior Century Tech interactive displays panel that they additionally have access to the global campus where they get an opportunity to connect with 78,000 students across 81 North Anglia School in 32. Is it possible अगर हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल अगर हम लोग चलाते तो 78 स्टूडेंट्स को सबको समझाना कंपल मतलब ऐसा पॉसिबल हो सकता नहीं हो सकता बट बिकॉज ऑफ डिजिटल वी आर getting success we can join more than 78,000 students at the same time. How does blended learning help students? This is a new learning dynamic benefits students and teachers alike. Here is how this methodology of learning helps students. यह blended learning से हम लोग कैसे हम लोगों को कैसे हेल्प मिलती है ठीक है सो इंक्रीज द स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्ट हम लोग इसको ब्लेंडेड से क्या होता है पहली बात तो ये जब डिजिटल आया था तो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड व्हाट इज डिजिटल हम लोग कैसे इसको इंटरैक्ट करेंगे क्या है ये डिजिटल हम लोगों को एक्साइटमेंट रहता था इंटरेस्ट रहता था कि है क्या ये चीज सो when the technology integrated in the school lessons students are more likely to be interested in the focus on and excited about the subjects they are studying वो लोग जो भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हैं they are getting excitement. Apart from that, when they get to learn at their own pace and understand concept, it develops the confidence. जैसे जैसे वो blended learning के बारे में उनको समझने लगे, then they got more confidence to child making him show interest towards the learning. Instill a disposition of self-advocacy. Students become self-driving and responsible, tracking their individual accomplishment, which aids in the development of the ability to find the resources or to get the help to require they can achieve their goals. ये जो इंस्टिल डिस्पोजिशन सेल्फ एडवोकेसी है ये हमारे लिए खुद के लिए उन लोगों का जैसे हम एक स्टूडेंट्स है लाइक स्टूडेंट्स बिकम सेल्फ ड्राइवन हम लोग सेल्फ ड्राइवन इट मींस दैट हम लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल है मतलब लाइक हम लोगों का क्या काम है ये डिजिटल की वजह से हमें पता रहता है कि इस टाइम पे हमें क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी है एंड which aids the development of the ability to find resource and get the help required they can achieve their goals. Prepare students for the future. Blended learning offers a multitude of real-world skills that directly translate into life skills from the research work, self-learning, computer literacy, etc., which helps students become future-ready. Enhancement communication. Enhanced communication, it means that I am doing the communication with all people. This technology infused learning allows students to easily communicate with their teachers, parents about their assignments, announcements, test results, and anything else they may need to know, and it makes assessment and evaluation more personalized and effective. After last, it makes the overall development. Overall development in this hybrid learning model, the extracurricular and other hands-on activities assist students in effectively developing their social, personal and online learning provides a wider selection of content and information that require for the overall physical and physiological development for their personality. ये जो है वो तुम्हारा ये overall development of the personality, your confidence,